Hi, let us package this client's chin chin together. So after producing, I packaged it very well. I used a cling film to cover it first and then a foil paper to make sure that it is well packaged. This is one paint rubber of chin chin, 2.5 kg. This chin chin is going all the way to United Kingdom. Yes, you heard me, UK, London. I added my label. It is butter rich. The full recipe will be in the description section. And after packaging, yeah, it is. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. And if you would want something like this, let me know in the comment section. It was so yummy, so beautiful. See you in my next video. Bye bye.